everyone, welcome back to Body Boost Lab. If you're looking to transform your core and get those abs popping, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into what happens to your body when you commit to doing a specific abs exercise for 30 days. We'll explore 5 incredible benefits you can expect. So grab your workout mat and let's get started. Today's exercise is the plank, a simple yet powerful move that targets your entire core. Benefit number 1, improved core strength. When you do the plank consistently for 30 days, you'll notice a significant increase in your core strength. This exercise engages not just your abs, but also your back, shoulders, and glutes, creating a solid foundation for all your movements. A stronger core helps with better posture and stability in everyday activities and workouts. Benefit number 2, enhanced stability and balance. As you hold the plank, your body learns to stabilize itself, which translates to better balance in other exercises and daily life. This is especially beneficial for athletes or anyone looking to improve their overall physical performance. Benefit number 3, better posture. A strong core supports your spine, which is crucial for maintaining good posture. After 30 days of planking, you'll likely find yourself sitting and standing taller.